Meanwhile, in Chuck's home... Hey, Red, what's happening? What are you saying? Can I, call you a doctor? Somebody please help him say something. Hello, son. My name is Dr. You're what? Looks like I give you some medicine to eat. What do you say? He's saying that you need to get better and you need some medicine to take. I need some medicine. Chuck, please stop singing. It's not gonna help anything. Screw you. What did you say? Fast forward to 5 years later. Chuck is now a healthy man and now... Now what? Oh! Wow, look at this magical place. Let's go inside. Wait, what is it? Oh! Let's go inside. Oh! Hello! Hello, Mr. Mudd. Mr. Mudd, are you help! Oh! Superman's preschool. Hey there, everybody. My name is Superman, and welcome to my preschool. Today, we're gonna learn about Australia. Like this. Oh! Yes, this is awesome. Oh! Children, what are you doing? This is not how it's going. What is happening? Please kill me. Oh wow, look at this shiny metal. Oh no, what is it? You're dead. That, doctor, is how my brother got sick. Do you know why he's so weird today? Actually, I think it's because he has a really severe case of autism. He has what?
God darn it, Lou.